Hey guys, I'm Shraddha. Welcome to my channel and welcome to another weekly vlog. Today is 7th August and the time right now is actually around 10:30 a.m. So this week we have my cousin's wedding, so this entire vlog is going to be about that. So today we are going to go and get our nails done. So I have my appointment at 11. I'm getting acrylic extensions. So yeah, that is today's plan and we might shop later. So yeah, let's go. I'm booking a cab right now. So yeah. Hi guys, so I'm just back home. I look a little champu right now. So this is how my nails look like. I don't know if you can see them properly, but they are this red glitter ombre. My outfit is like in a combination of red and green, so I wanted to get like red glitter ombre nails. I got acrylic extensions. As you can see, everyone was like,
your length is too long, your length is too long. I'm like, nails are never too long. I love long nails. The Cardi B style, I love them. So yeah, that's why I got them.
Then we went to Then we went to the MAC store and I picked up a compact. I actually wanted this MAC compact for a while now, so I picked this one up from there. So today I met my school friend. Her name is Shrestha. So we used to be best friends in school, inseparable, always together. And then her house is like super far from mine, so we usually text each other on social media, but we haven't met for the past 6 years. Literally, it was so nice to meet her. I felt so happy. It was so fun, and we met in the mall. We clicked a few pictures, we spoke, but my mom was waiting and even her siblings were waiting, so we had to leave, but felt so good. And then from tomorrow, although it's raining outside, so I don't think we'll go out today today again. So yeah, from tomorrow all the wedding festivities are going to begin. I'll take you along everywhere. That will be pretty much it for today. I'll see you. Bye bye. Hi guys, good morning. It's 11th August today and the time right now is actually around 7:50 a.m. and we have to leave in about 15-20 minutes, so I have to quickly get ready. So in the morning we have a puja, so I'm not going to be wearing anything out there, so it's going to be basic but not extremely basic. So yeah, let me do my makeup. Hi guys, so I'm all ready. I'm like getting so super late, so I'll try to insert pictures. good morning. So it's 12th August today and the time right now is actually around 10:30 a.m. So yesterday night we came super late, like we were just chilling and talking, and we just did like a cake cutting and stuff later yesterday, and my battery literally died, so I couldn't vlog that. So I vlogged as much as I can, as you saw, and this is how my mehendi looks like. It looks pretty red brown, whatever you want to call it. And everyone's mehendi is nicer than me. I don't know why, but I felt so. So today is the wedding. So for coming to today's plan, first we are going to be going there just casually. We are just going to meet them, and then we are going to come back, change into the wedding clothes and be back to the wedding. The wedding is at 8:30 tonight. So I like night weddings. You have the entire day to get ready, and I'll go take a quick shower, wash my hair, and be back. Hi. So I'm all ready, and this is what I'm wearing. We are supposed to leave, so it's not extremely grand, not very extremely subtle, and I'm wearing these super cute jhumkas which I really like. And my makeup is pretty minimal because I didn't want to do like heavy makeup. I should probably push my hair back a little so that these beautiful jhumkas are actually being seen. I didn't put any conditioner because my mom was like, if you're putting conditioner your hair has become a little more chipku. So yeah, I didn't apply any hair mask or conditioner, and this is how I look like. I pretty much like how this look looks like. It's pretty basic. This is actually my college makeup routine. And look at my mehendi, it's getting darker and darker. I just kept it for not even like 2 hours, and look. Also, fun fact, I hate the smell of mehendi. Today, even while brushing, while having bath, while combing my hair, even now while talking, I can totally smell the mehendi from my hands, and I'm like, I don't like mehendi either. It's not that I hate it or something, but I'm not really like a fan of it. So yeah, let's go. I'm just going to be putting a watch on this hand, and that is it. Hi guys, so I'm back. I'm just home, and I took like a super quick shower because I don't feel satisfied without taking getting ready without taking a shower. There is a huge pile of mess in my background, and I totally know that, but I can't help it out because shadi ka ghar hai, and everything is going to be thrown here and there randomly, and there's no time to clean anything up. I'm going early, coming back late, time to get ready and all. Yeah, my room is a mess, and I know that. I just placed a few things which I'll be needing in the near future on my bed, so please ignore that. So the wedding is at 8:30, but we are very close relatives, so we are going to go early. So the time right now, wait, let me turn on the AC, or else I'm sorry if the voice, I'm not going to be like showing you like focus in detailed makeup of everything. I'm just going to be telling you what all products I'm using, and maybe use them on camera a little bit here and there. So yeah guys, let's go get ready with me for the wedding. Guys, starting with the base, I'm using none other than the Pond's Light Moisturizer. I just can't trust anything else. Hi guys, so the next product I'm going to be using is the MAC Studio Fix Compact. If I had a chance, I would actually go ahead and use the Nivea's Musk Talc, but I want a more fuller coverage this time, and I want to look good like in photos. I know like physically, if you meet me, I know that the Nivea's Musk Talc is going to look much better and natural, but in pictures I want everything to be neat, and it's Studio Fix. So I'm done with the compact, and then for the eyeshadow I'm going to be using the NK Beauty's Autumn Spice palette. So I'm going to be going like super natural on my eyes as well. So I'm going to be using this shade in my crease, and this golden lid, and also like these are how the shades look like. This is my current holy grail eyeshadow palette. So yeah, I'll do that and I'll be back. Hi guys, I don't know if you can see me properly, but yeah, it's pretty natural and not very out there, but at the same time it adds a little pop of color to the entire look. So yeah, that is how my eyeshadow look like. And coming to the highlighter, and I'm going to be using this one. Actually was supposed to use the Because Champagne Pop, but for some reason I want to go with like a golden highlight. So I bought this thing from like a local store a few months back. So I wanted to use this in the inner corner, really all the high points of my face. Again, this is going to be like very subtle. I'm not going to be adding like a pop like I usually love my highlighter to be like. I'm not going to be doing that. So yeah, today with me, so I'm going with the Hari Spoil the curry Hari Bari. I can't really think of anything. I'm feeling so weird, like I have to do everything so fast, but I'm not able to do anything so fast. I'm literally wasting time as much as I can. I forgot to apply the blush and I directly skipped into highlighter. Like, what's wrong with me? So I'm going to be using none other than the K Beauty's Coral Charm blush. This is literally my holy grail product. Really nice peachy coral color blush. This video is a chaos, like it's a chaos. Like I'm always running whenever there's something important. I'm always running. And yeah, I'll apply the blush and the highlighter. Hi guys, so this is how my face looks like. I'm going to be using my magnetic lashes, and I don't know which one I'm going to be choosing, but I'm going to be choosing like a pretty dramatic one. So I'm going to be applying my false lashes in V-Bar. Hi guys, so I kept the lash glue and I'm back. So I'm just allowing it to stay. By then I'm going to be applying the lipstick. For lipstick, obviously you guessed it right if you're following me for a while. I'm not going to use anything other than the Maybelline matte ink in the shade 20 Pioneer. I think this is my third bottle or something. This is like my holy grail. It stays all day all night, and in the wedding you got to eat things, you got to wear your mask, and you don't want your lipstick to be everywhere on your face. So this is my go-to. Make sure that you don't really apply lip balm or anything on it, or else it's going to smudge, and the area which got smudged is not going to go. So yeah, use this but wisely. Hi guys, so this is how my facial makeup looks like. I look pretty much like every YouTube video ever, but I really like it, you know. Lash adds that touch to everyone's face. That's what I really feel. I don't know how my mom is going to react. She likes a super natural look, but I tried to go as natural as I can, but I really couldn't. But I am actually loving my makeup look. Like, look, even from close up it looks pretty neat, if you can see. So yeah, this is what I look like. Let me just quickly go wear my outfit and be back, then I can show you all the jewelry and everything. Hi guys, so I'm in my outfit. I'll show you the full length of it once I'm completely ready, but before that let me just show you my jewelry. This is the Vadyanam that I'm going to be wearing. Like, if you don't already know, we are like pure South Indians, and my dressing is going to be a lot South Indian today. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be wearing on my waist, and I'll show you the jewelry and the earrings once I actually wear them. This though I can't zoom it in, right? So that's why I was showing it to you individually. This is how it looks like. So I'll just keep all the jewelry and show it to you after I'm done. Hi guys, I'm back again. So this is how my jewelry looks like. Yeah, I can't show you any close-up than this one. If you want like to do like a separate video showing what all I wore in this video, you can actually let me know in the comment section below. And I'm also wearing one hand putty here. I don't know if the camera is focusing, but yeah. So this is all the jewelry I'm wearing. This is how I look like. Now I'm going to go do my hair, and I also started sweating a little bit. So yeah, I'm just going to be placing like 2 pins here because I want the jewelry to show, and I don't want the hair on my face and get irritated. So yeah, I'm going to be doing my hair, and yeah, also wearing my bangles and be back. Hi guys, so I'm done getting ready completely. These are my earrings, this is my hair. I just put 2 clips right here. I don't know if you can even see them, but yeah, I put 2 clips here. And yeah, these are the bangles which I wore. I showed it to you in my previous vlog, right? I already have like so much jewelry, so I wanted to keep the bangles low-key. Here's my Vadyanam, and yeah, I'm all ready, and I'll try to show you the full look now. And it's already getting super late, so let's go. Hi mommy. Also, I forgot to show you, this is the clutch and this is the mask that I'm carrying. These are my beautiful bangles. Yeah, I'm walking down, and these are my shoes which I again forgot to show. I actually wanted to wear heels, but I know that I need to stand a lot and my legs are going to ache. So comfort first. So Let's go. Hi guys, so the time right now is actually around 5 a.m. It is actually 4:55. I don't know if you can see, it's 4:55 a.m. right now, and we reached home like an hour ago. So I'll try and sleep now. My hair is still a little wet, and yeah, I'm so super tired. My brain, I'm literally telling you, is not even functioning at this point of time. And yeah, we are free for 2 days, and then Sunday again we have reception, and we have to travel to Guntur. For that, I have never traveled to Guntur ever, so yeah, that is the plan. And I'm sorry if I'm talking a little slowly. My brain is really not functioning, but somehow I wanted to give this impromptu update. So yeah, bye guys, I'll see you in some time. I'll try and get some sleep. Bye bye.